So the 17th IAAF World Championships in Doha, Qatar is now history. Jamaican athletes once again made the nation proud, cupping an impressive 12 medals, 3 gold, 5 silver, and 4 bronze to finish third of the 200 and odd eligible nations. Of course, our field events came to the fore, accounting for 4 of the 12 medals, and the Jamaican women were the stars, winning 9 of the 12 medals. And there were many memorable moments. Tajay Gale winning Jamaica's first long jump world title. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce celebrating her 100-meter victory with her son in her hand. And for me, the race of the championships was that cracking women's 400 meters final. But when all is said and done, the Mavericks' moment of Doha World Championships 2019 took place on the women's 4x1 relay, where the Chinese woman with the most comical attempt at a button change in the history of track and field. The third leg runner, look at him, and the anchor leg runner, after leaving the passing zone. Watch him. Searching to get back into the zone. Yeah, let's go. Go back. Here's it. Okay, no. Go back some more. Take the button. Here we go. Don't turn back. I never seen nothing like this in my entire life. Look again. No, go back some more. Go back. Let's do the exchange. Stop. No, go. Stop.